Hey guys, welcome back to Gingerbeard Collectibles. I got a new video for you. Picked a few things up. Got this back to school pack here. Comes with a pack of Astral Radiance and Evolving Skies, along with this cute little Pikachu eraser. Also really like this artwork on the packaging up here. And I'm looking forward to see what's in this Evolving Skies. There's so many nice cards in that set, so hopefully we get lucky on that one. I'm going to let my daughter open this one. And then I've also got this Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion pre-release box. I picked this up on Amazon for about 20 bucks. Looking forward to seeing what we can get out of this, since it's pre-Sword and Shield, obviously. So it's a little bit older. And I'm going to get started with letting my daughter open up the other two in the back to school pack.
I feel so bad. Heck for Evie.
Yeah, it's a shame we gotta tear up that nice packaging.
First pack out. Got my Pikachu out.
Check out the little Pikachu and let's take a look at it.
There we go. And there he is.
Cute little Pikachu.
My Pikachu.
Let's see him back here with everybody else, if he'll stand up.
And then...
Alright, and we're going to start with the Astral Radiance, and then go into the Evolving Skies.
Here we go. This is the first pack that I've ever opened that opened this easily.
Alright.
And code. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a Dark Energy,
Gapejaw Bog, Togetic,
Spicy Seasoned Curry,
Rowlet, Hisuian Quillfish, Oshawott, Ponyard, Hoot Hoot, I really like that Hoot Hoot, Glameow, oh, and we get the Hisuian Sneasler. Alright, and it's a holographic.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So,
Especially on first try.
grab a sleeve and we'll slide that in there.
Alright. There you go.
Alright, so there we go. See him back there. And now for the Evolving Skies set.
Now this one is terribly hard to open.
Doesn't want to open for me. Alright. There we go. Slide the code card out. There we go.
3, 4. Okay.
Alright, let's hope for some luck here. Psychic Energy, Scroll of the Flying Dragon,
The Rapid Strike,
Snowleaf Badge, Treasure Energy, Bergmite, Roggenrola, Flabebe, Swablu, Litleo, Slakoth Reverse Hollow, and a regular Lilligant Rare. So, nothing big in that one, but it's all good. I really like this Roggenrola style drawing. So now we're going to open up the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion set.
Don't stab yourself, Dad.
There we go. And this is actually my first time getting a box like this. And actually, I believe it's my first Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion set that I've ever opened up. So,
Actually, yes, it is.
alright, so I slide it out, get the little sleeve on it. Alright, let's see what we got in here. So, first off, we got the little Crimson Invasion, Crimson Chaos Across Alola pre-release tips pack here. And we get the promotional Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion and Regirock, along with a few other cards. Let's see what's in this here. So we got Regirock, which we'll get a sleeve for Regirock here in a minute. Gastrodon, Shellos, Beware, Stuffle, Lily, Howl, Great Ball, Timer Ball, Regirock, Gengar, Haunter, Ghastly. I really like the way this Ghastly's done. Professor Kukui, Sophocles, Timer Ball, Nest Ball, and Salandit. Alright, so that's actually a pretty nice little setup there. And get us a sleeve, go ahead and put in Regirock. Alright, and then the box also comes with 4 packs of Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. So we got the Buzzwole, Silvally, I can never remember the name of that one, and Guzzlord. And there are actually a few nice rainbows and specials in potentially in these, so let's see what we get. I think I'm gonna save Guzzlord for last. I'll go ahead and open up with Buzzwole. So much easier. Alright. Oh, there's a code. Alright. So we got Grass Energy, Dashing Pouch, Fighting Memory, Diggersby. That's a really cool artwork. Oh, we got the little Pikachu. I was so hoping we would get this adorable Pikachu. Set him out to the side. Miss Drevis, Spoink, Houndour, Jigglypuff, which is also a really nice artwork. Ooh, a reverse holo in that Ghastly that I like a lot. And a non-holo Octillery. Alright, we'll go with this one next. There's your code card. Keep it in the camera. Alright, so we've got a Dark Energy, a Alolan Graveler, another Diggersby, Sea of Nothingness, Stuffle, Pumpkaboo. I really like Pumpkaboo, he's so cute. Staryu, Dano, Aron, or Aaron. I'm not sure how to say that one actually. Corphish Reverse Holo, and a Starmie non-holo. Next up, we got Silvally. I believe that's Silvally. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know there's Type Null and Silvally. I'm pretty sure that's Silvally. Alright. Get that pack destroyed. There we go. 2, 3, and 4. Let's trash out the way. Alright. Psychic. Pillow-Swine. Another Diggersby. Hakamo-O. Cacnea. Another Staryu. Ghastly. Aron again. A Alolan Geodude. Looks very sneaky and suspicious. Reverse Holo Regirock. And we got a holographic type null. Alright. Let's get us a sleeve for this type null. Alright. Actually, I'm going to put this adorable little Pikachu in one too while he's sitting back here. And lastly, goes Lord. Hoping for a good one out of this one. So there's a lot of I believe there's a nice rainbow Gyarados in this set. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Fairy. Selgor, Kakuna, Lyron, Feebas, Cubone. He is one of my favorites, especially first gen, and I do not have this one. I do collect Cubone cards. I've got quite a few that I bought as singles. I do not have this one, but I really like it. Shellos, Bunnelby, Houndour, Reverse Holo Aeron. Oh, and we got the special secret rare trainer, Lusamine or Lusamine. So we did at least get one really nice pull out of this, but overall there's a lot of really nice artwork in this set. The Cubone, the Pikachu, those are all super nice. Very happy with those. Definitely getting... Had to open a new pack of sleeves. That was my last one that I'd put on Pikachu. So
he's a very lucky Pikachu.
What do you guys use for sleeves? I use these very well fitted ones. I do not like... I used to use the ones that were a little bigger, but I really like these ones that hold super close to it and they're nice and tight. Same thing with these. I had a set that were kind of loose, but the card bounced around in there, and I did not like that. But I do really like these ones that are a little more snug. But look at that rainbow effect in there. That's really nice. So, yeah. Cubone's get the sleeve too, just because I like him that much.
Plus he deserves one.
So, well, there we go, guys. So not a bunch of crazy pulls or anything, but again, you know, that's not what it's here for. We really enjoy the artwork on these, and it is nice to get some of these really special rares on occasion. But overall, I think my favorite one would probably be between Cubone and Pikachu. Just the artwork on those are awesome, especially that adorable Pikachu.
That Pikachu is mine.
So, let me know what you guys think. Which was your favorite? You know, like and comment down below, please, to support the channel if you'd like. And we'll see you when we come back again. Thank you.